Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the 1st of July 2025. Let's see what's happening in the market. And at 2:30 we got Fed Chair Powell speech. That's heavy impact news. And we got 3 p.m. ISM manufacturing PMI and Georgia job openings. And then we got medium impact SIM manufacturing prices. So these are the news for the day for USD. And for the gold, going on to the chart, it's first day of the month, and you can see that according to this, see, as I previously mentioned, and this monthly candle is currently is going to the upside. It just started a month, so going on to weekly, it took the previous week's liquidity and moved to the upside, and daily, similar situation, previous day's liquidity and moved to the upside. And as you can see that how the liquidity is swept, let's see in daily. Uh, Daily, this previous day's liquidity was swept. See, this liquidity was swept here. And that was here we had a RSI divergence as well. I did show you. Since then, market is moving to the upside. So that was a very good trade. Previous day's liquidity and then the RSI divergence. I put the RSI for you to just, it's not just the analysis, it's just learning as well from previous history. So you can see that RSI divergence here. So this is how, this is a very, very high probability trade. And once the liquidity is swept on the level, then we got divergence. Then you can see the how many pips we got. Almost 3350 to 1,000 pips. So make note of that, high probability trade. Now let me remove all this. Now going on to, as you can see here, and 4 hours. First we had a rejection from here, and then we had a rejection from this candle. Let me put this line, that will be more easy. Then we had rejection from here, and then market broke. And now look this area of liquidity. Going to 1 hour, see how the market behaved. In 15 minutes. See, tested, didn't quite test this bait. However, this area has been tested. Let me and markets kept moving to the upside. This is a measure. Now, if this area is broken, then we can see more movement to the downside. Otherwise, we may see this way, this gap filled to the upside. This New York session is opened already, so let's see what's gonna happen. But I personally think each market should come to the downside because we've got this area is a strong area before it moves to the upside. If this, so you got a strong area here. So I should at least test around this level, or even if I want to put the Fibonacci level in. So should come up to this level. So that would be the 50% retracement, and also it's a W pattern as well. Anyway, so this is the neckline of W, and plus we have a resistance level here. So let's see how the market behaves, and we'll take decision accordingly. So I hope this is helpful, and you know how to take entries on the break of these and retest. And we can take entry. You can use your own strategy, moving averages and stuff. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.